Introducing the Boeing V-22 Osprey, a revolutionary tiltrotor aircraft blending helicopter agility with airplane speed. From troop transport to special ops, it's a game-changer in modern aviation. Let's explore its cutting-edge design and strategic facts together. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Fact number 1. Versatile operations. The V-22 Osprey conducts diverse missions like troop transport, special ops, and search and rescue with its unique VTOL capability. Number 2. Global reach. Japan's adoption marks international expansion, showcasing its appeal beyond the U.S. military. Number 3. Continuous upgrades. Ongoing enhancements in avionics and survivability ensure it remains operationally relevant. Number 4. Sustainability focus. The program prioritizes life cycle improvements for enhanced reliability and reduced maintenance. Number 5. Strategic value. Its combination of helicopter agility and airplane speed solidifies its position as a critical asset in modern warfare.